guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking a little dolled up. I got my face beat by my sister. So today I am going to be doing another hair video, and this week's hair video is sponsored by Hairspells. So the lovely people over at Hairspells decided that they wanted to give your girl a headband wig, and I was like, sure, because as you guys can see from my last headband wig installation video, I am a pro at installing headband wigs, and I'm just going to use this opportunity to show you guys my skills once again. So this time I got a curly, I think it's 22 inches. If it's not 22, it's 24 inches headband wig, and I got two headbands along with it. So I'm just going to show you guys what exactly came in the bag. So I got the hair in the bag, as well as just a little information, like I would say booklet thingy, but it's not really a booklet. And one of my headbands, isn't it beautiful? You guys, it's pretty bad. It's more pretty in person. And a hair clip that says kiss. A hair pin actually that says kiss. So I actually got two headbands, and the second one is in here. I'll show you guys that when I finish putting on the wig. So yes, this is a 22-inch Brazilian loose wave wig. Okay, this is how we come in. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on, and I might have to go through it and one curl it. So I'm going to have to plug in the iron, and let's get right into it. So first, you know, say you have to tame your real hair. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and take my Eco Gel as well as my brush and brush down my hair, and then go ahead and make my baby hairs so that I can apply the wig, because you know you want it look nice and sleek. So let's go. And guys, I just catch my hair in one. I found that this is easier than doing the two cornrows. Push back everything, and now let me just get rid of this part. Now it's time to go ahead and make the edges. Grab my edge brush. That's it for the slicking back process. Now let's go ahead and apply the wig. So this is how the inside of it looks. You have the headband, of course, that you can adjust. It has a velcro on it, and you have 4 combs so you can stick it down to your head for more security. So it's pretty secure on your head. Don't be thinking, oh, it's going to slide off. So just going to go ahead and secure these combs into my head. There we go. Alright, so this is the wig when I have fully carried it down. Oh my god, girl. Let me go ahead and comb this out right quick. I'm going to go ahead and wind it up so I can revive the curls. Because baby, I already know when I'm finished. So if you're busy, like if it's a busy day for you, you can just throw this on as is and go as is, but I'm trying to look a little glam right now, so I'm going to go ahead and wind it up. So I'm just going to separate these into two. I know, but I 100% know me I do it one, but I'm gonna try, and I trust that I won't burn myself. So let's go. And as you can see, you have the option to either straighten this or wear it curled up. I choose to wear it curled up, so I'm going to go ahead and curl it up with my wand. They don't call me hairstylist for nothing. I guess I teach that from there. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after I've finished curling it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the headbands that they sent me along with this wig. Do you like it? I like it. I like it. So as I mentioned before, I got two. So this is the first one. Just a simple headband. How am I going to put this on? Alright. super cute. I mean, you could go to a party and nobody even know that you're wearing a headband wig. Like, talk to me nice. Also, go ahead and rate my curling skills on a scale of 1 to 10. I mean, I think I didn't do too bad. I didn't do too bad, right? I did not do too bad. Yeah, so this is the first headband, and then the second headband, baby. Guys, come on, I love this headband. Initially, I didn't really like these headbands, and I'm surprised at how beautiful it is. Like, come on. So, the quality of this is actually really nice, and it's really lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Like, it's just super cute, super convenient, super easy to apply. Headband wig is just a win all times. So if you want to go ahead and copy your headband wig from Hairspells, the link will be in the description box. All their information will be in the description box. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts on the hair below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!